Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Dan the Tutor. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to solve logarithmic equations. In other words, equations that have logs in them. So as an example, let's say I have log base 4 of x equals some number like 2, and I want to know how do I solve for x here. So the answer is simple. Whenever you want to get rid of a log, which is what we want to do here, you have to do the opposite of a logarithm, and the opposite of a logarithm is an exponential. So in other words, the way I cancel out the log is I take base 4 of both sides. And the reason why we do this is because the 4 and the log cancel, and if you're wondering why, it's because I said so. So that leaves me with just x on the left side, and on the right side, I have 4 to the 2 power, which is not a mystery. I know that's going to be 4 squared, which is 16. So the answer is 16, and that's how we're going to solve any logarithmic equation. So let's do a few more examples now. Now what if I have 2 log base 2 of x plus 2 equals 10? For this one, before I take base 2 of both sides, I need to isolate the logarithm. That means subtracting 2 from each side first. So 2 log base 2 of x equals 8. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So log base 2 of x equals 4. And now I can get rid of the log by taking base 2 of both sides. This will cancel out on the left, leaving me with x. And on the right, I have 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th is 16. So my final answer is 16. And that's basically the premise. Now we're just going to do 2 more examples that are basically the same as the ones we just did. So let's say I have log base 9 of 2x minus 11 equals 0. Go ahead, give this one a try on your own, pause the video, and when you're ready to see the solution, unpause it and look at my screen. Okay, so here's what we do. First, since I'm already isolated for the log, I can go straight into base 9 of both sides. This cancels the left side, leaving me with 2x minus 11. On the right side, 9 to the 0 is just 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1. And yes, we probably need to know that. Then I just add 11 to both sides. So 2x equals 12, and then divide by 2, x equals 6, and there we go. Now just one more for us today. Let's say I have negative 5 log base 3 of negative x plus 2 minus 3 equals negative 13. So I'm throwing just about every trick I know at you. Give it a try, and when you're ready to see the solution, unpause the video. Okay, so first I'm going to add 3 to both sides. That'll leave me with negative 5 log base 3 of negative x plus 2. And on the right, I now have negative 10. Then I divide both sides by negative 5 because I want to get the log by itself. So now log base 3 of negative x plus 2 equals positive 2. Now I want to cancel out the logarithm. That's going to involve taking base 3 of both sides. The 3 and the log cancel, leaving me with negative x plus 2 equals 3 squared, which is 9. Now I got to subtract 2 from both sides. Negative x equals positive 7. And finally divide both sides by negative 1. So x equals negative 7. And there we go. That's all the problems I have on solving logarithmic equations. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and bye-bye.